Morning, welcome to the channel. I'm Rose and today I'm doing a hike of Wetton and Thor's Cave. It's a 9-kilometre hike. I thought I'd take you along with me. Let's go. So just been to Thor's Cave. You would have seen that when I was walking through the woodland. It's really pretty, staying dry from the rain for a little bit, which is nice. The cave is quite slippy though, so I would recommend doing it on a dry day. You can just see Thor's Cave there, so we've just come from Thor's Cave. Going to continue on our walk. We're about a fifth of the way around. But it is raining, it's quite slippy, so I do recommend coming on a dry day if you can. But it is less busy, that's a good positive.
Though my days are long, take me back to when the night was young and another song was sung. What of all those pretty tales, the ones that took me to this door? There's a comfort in the siren's wail, a comfort upon this wooden floor. Tell you, is it a failure to forget the ones you once held dear? But I try to remember, but my mind is no longer clear.
Sorry?
You recognize me, I've fallen far from the trees. Came up to my knees, they twisted round, and I made no sound, no sound. I wondered till my brittle bone had succumbed and pulled me to the stone. Further from the towns you've known, I'll remain from where I had begun. Stumbled before I start, I was kicking over stones as a child. In the meadow when the storm came through, and I burrowed straight back to you. Oh, you recognize me, I fall and fall, far from the trees. Came up, I tore my knee, they twisted round. I made no sound, no sound. And would you ever doubt my love when my day is done?
We're nearly back at the car, both a bit pooped. Yeah, this is wetting. I'm gonna go past the tea rooms and back at the car. There's some really lovely cottages that I want to live in here as well.
From there you'll hear me talk.